Hey everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we showed you how to install the PDF Maker add-on in Zoho CRM. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave the link in the description below. And in this video, we'll go one step further and show you how to actually use the PDF Maker add-on, specifically how to automate PDF generation using your deal data inside Zoho CRM. Let's get started. So firstly, go to the PDF Maker dashboard and check if your Zoho CRM connection is proper. And then click on to create PDF and start creating a PDF. I'm going to create this PDF for the deal called real estate contract and select HubSpot CRM and select Zoho CRM as your data source and click next. And then under the select type, you can either select deals or contacts. I'm selecting deals right now and click next. So now we've been redirected to our PDF Maker dashboard. You can create your desired template as you like. So we have created our real estate purchase agreement, and as a next step, you'll have to add your placeholders within this PDF template. Adding placeholders to your PDF is very simple. Towards the right hand side, you will be able to see a set of placeholders which have been pulled from the Zoho CRM fields. So you can just copy this placeholder and paste it wherever you want it to be placed. So this particular deal name, I'll place it after here. So it says this agreement confirms that a deal name amounting to, so under the deal amounting to, I'll add deal amount. Likewise, add all the other necessary fields that you want. While you're adding your fields, if you're not able to find any particular field under this list, you can always click onto the settings option over here to manage your CRM properties. So under deals, you have 27 properties, out of which only 5 are selected. So you can select any other property that you want or deselect any property that was already selected. So I am going to select this particular property called created time and click save. So now if I scroll down, I'll be having this new field which was not available earlier, and I'm just going to copy this particular time and I'll be placing it over here. So after you had created your template and added all your placeholders, just click on save. And now we'll go back again to our Zoho CRM and click on to modules and select deals. So under deals, I'm going to select the real estate contract deal. So I'll just click on to this. And towards the top right hand side, you will be able to see this button called PDF Maker Generator. Just click on to that and select the template that you want. So I'll select this template, real estate contract template that we just created, and click on generate PDF. So after a few seconds, our PDF would be generated. Just click on to view PDF, and if I scroll down, I'll be able to see that the data has been automatically pulled inside the placeholders that we just added. So this is how you can automate and generate your custom PDF. You can also manage your PDFs after clicking onto the deal section. Just scroll down and you will be able to see the section called the PDF Maker document, and click on to that, and if you scroll down, you will be able to see all the generated documents. You can also monitor the PDFs that you have generated within PDF Maker also. Just go back to PDF. Under the template section, this is the template that we just created, and when I click onto the actions button, I'll have this option called run history, and when I click onto that, I'll be able to see all the PDFs that were generated for this particular contract. So when I click on to download, I'll be able to see the PDF that was generated. So this is how you can automatically create and generate PDFs from your Zoho CRM's data. So I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thanks for watching.